Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys things I wish I had bought sooner. Okay, the first thing are these little picks. So they sell these at Costco for super cheap, but this is so good for your gums. It helps keep your gums healthy, and I just think they work so much better than regular dental floss. It also has a minty flavor to it, and I love that it comes in this little carry case. The next one is also a dental type of item. Okay, the next one is this snow teeth. So it's really cool. It comes with this little pen, and you just paint it on your teeth, and then you put this little device in your mouth, and it comes with all of these plugs. So one of these plugs is going to work for your phone. When you plug it in, it's gonna light up. So I'll show you. Okay, so mine actually came with like a little wheel so you could track your progress of your teeth. I don't know where mine is, but I can tell you that I do drink coffee every single day, so they weren't like pearly white, but this is what they look like. I'm really liking the result right now because I feel like my teeth, they're pretty white. Okay, so next is this Bissell electric mop. I have a whole video on this mop, which I'll put right up here, but this mop is amazing. Hands down, one of the best purchases of 2023. I love it. Okay, next we have to go upstairs for me to show you. This is a really good one. I got this one during the summertime Amazon Prime. No regrets. It's a little expensive. Okay, so next is this little Meow Want electric litter box. All you have to do is open this up, take out a bag, replace it, make sure you don't have to add any more kitty litter, and that's it. We do have another litter box beside it because Oliver doesn't like to use it yet. I think he's kind of scared of it, but he does like to play with it. It has really great safety features and will basically shut off if there's a cat in it while it's cleaning. Okay, so this is Luna, and so that was basically her private bathroom since Oliver doesn't use it. So I think she really likes it. Okay, the next item is this. It is a pop-up closed caddy. There's 3 compartments. As you can see, it's really big. Size of my phone, size of this. It was about $7 at Walmart. But I think this works so much better than a laundry basket, especially considering we have stairs. So I love that you can kind of like have it more organized for when you go to put it away. We still have the issue of once it's full, we still have to put it away, but I think this really helps. I absolutely love this. I use it pretty much every Sunday as long as it's empty. If there's still clothes in it, then I will just pile everything on the couch. But personally, I like to fold clothes while watching TV. I definitely think it's worth trying it out, especially if you hate doing laundry. Maybe get 2 of them, and again, they're collapsible and they pop up. Okay, so the next item is actually this camera. So this camera, I have no regrets for buying. I love it. I really love the face softening feature. I think that it makes my face look so much better on camera. And let me show you more about what it looks like. Okay, so this is the camera. One thing that I didn't really learn until I purchased the camera is that it has a lot of battery issues. So the battery doesn't last very long. So if you do decide you want to get one of these, you're gonna have to get the backup batteries, which is only about $20 for a pack of 3. It comes with a little charging station, and I think it's totally worth it. I love how it has this screen, and you can put it at pretty much any angle you need. So like if I was gonna do it now, this is what it would look like. So I also think that looking into this lens is way more natural. This camera, it's obvious. It's like super obvious. You know where it is. There's no question about it. And I just love it. With that being said, mine did come with a lot of extras. So it came with like a mic, it came with the little handheld little stand, it came with a bag. So it came with a lot of extras that you would typically have to buy separately. And it's also like an older model, so there may be newer stuff out there. I think this is really great for an absolute beginner. Okay, last but probably not least is this extra long charging cable for my phone. So it may not seem like much, but I'm the kind of person that will use whatever I have for a long time, and I don't feel the need to upgrade unless something's wrong. But this is really a game changer. So like looking back, like I really struggled to be on my phone. Like say if I was in bed and I'm plugged to the wall, like it's just so hard to be on your phone with a very tiny cord. So you're limited, and this is so much better. And it's also good just to have an extra one. You can throw the tiny one in your bag, so you always have it, and it's more of like an emergency cord. So don't be like I was. Go ahead and just like spend a little bit of money, grab yourself an extra long cord. You're gonna thank yourself whenever you have an emergency where you absolutely need an extra cord, and you can use your tiny cord. So it's a win-win. Okay, so I know this was a super short video, but honestly, I'm kind of struggling to make all these videos only because I'm gonna be going on that 5-day, 4-night cruise. So if it wasn't for that cruise, I think I wouldn't have an issue with uploading a video a day, but just knowing that I'm gonna be out for like 5 days, I think it's kind of stressful, but I don't want to drop out of this. So I'm gonna do this for 31 days. I've committed. I hope you found this video helpful. These are hands down my favorite buys of 2023. I'm not making this stuff up. I'll try to put links to everything that I have shown you guys if I can find it. So I hope you guys liked this. If there's an item that you guys have in 2023 that has absolutely changed your life, please put that in the comments below so I can check it out. Use an affiliate link, I don't care. But I do want to check out some stuff that has changed your life, so maybe it can change mine too. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.